Racing in the building. Look out, look out. Hey, hey, hey. What's up with it? What's up with it? Hey, 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 what's up with it, man?
LP in this bitch.
What's up with it? You one time for the one. Already. Okay. We got XTREME. What's up? Where to go at? Where the bed? Where the bed at?
Look, man, look.
Where to go?
Snoop finna let me go halfway down the track on the 4-wheeler. He said he can try to run past me. We finna try to figure it out.
I'm out. He got him out. Boom.
What's up, man?
Hey, Dominique, where to go?
Yeah, who you like, baby?
Man, I don't know. I only see XTREME up here. Who you racing?
Racing up.
Oh, that Mustang over there. Oh, okay. Let's go look at it.
Who else want XTREME? Who else on the line want
I don't
XTREME?
know. I need to bet over here.
Yeah, that's where I'm going. This look 1,200. I'm betting the whole 1,200 too.
I mean, I need to bet over
I'm
here.
betting right here. I don't give a damn what nobody else.
I'm finna go get me some bets, man.
Yeah.
Let's look at this car. Okay. Yeah, I'll check them out one time. Look out, look out. Battery charge and all that. You getting it together?
I got 400 right here. 400 right here.
400 right here?
400, baby.
Shit. I need to go find me a bit. Hold on. Hey, that side over there. Right now, we on XTREME.
If they ain't out here now, pedal in. Nah, let's wait for to go down now. I ain't got time to end up on the white car.
You going to white car?
How you know?
I want to bet, man. Everybody telling me to go with that side.
What go with your heart at?
Yeah, man. Fine. You know somebody want to bet me. Fine. You know somebody want to bet me. Find somebody want to bet me, man. I want that car over there. I'm trying to find somebody to bet me. I want that one over there. Come on. There it goes, Jay.
We got two.
200, man. 200. Where you at?
That's a turbo car.
I'm over there for 100.
Quick just talking, dog.
No, I ain't. I give you the 100.
Come on, give it up.
There you go, right here.
Bet that.
Damn.
I hate these pop your top. You hold the money.
All right, well, bet I hold it. Already. Hey, y'all. We got 200 in the game. We're gonna see what the hell is going on.
Exactly. You know.
Hey,
What's up?
that's what he just told me.
What?
I forgot this Mustang.
Blueberry muffin? Oh yeah. I think he can. I think blueberry
Nah, I
muffin.
bet not give us a motherfucking thing with blueberry.
He probably can't give y'all
They ain't
nothing.
giving you nothing. What are you talking about?
He might could get a back tire.
We give you the back car still.
Man, my homeboy don't say nothing, we don't want no problem. My homeboy say something, we want
Yeah, I'm saying.
I fuck with that nigga, I'm not that.
Here we go, y'all.
saying no race.
I ain't seen no light. Ain't no light came on, man. Ain't no light came on, man. This controversy, man. This controversy.
Hey, look, hey, that a boy, good boy. That a boy, good boy. That a boy, good boy.
We hit the jackpot.
That bump bar jumped too hard. Yeah, he lost it.
Hey! That's considered a loss.
Actually, whenever we counted the money, both sides, whenever we counted the money, they wanted to use steps. The steps was the two top bowls wrong, it's a race. If one car jumped before the tree was on, it's a red light no matter what happened. And he jumped through the beach, so he red lit and he won.
That a boy, good boy. That a boy. That a boy, good boy. That a boy.
Damn, man, that was the way to lose. He got jazz. Boom, goddamn me. That D, goddamn. Boom. Big league. What happened, man? That's a race.
No, that was agreement between the drivers, not the fans. When I bet on that light down there. I say whoever light come on down there, that's who get paid.
So do you consider that as a red light? Is that a red light to you?
Didn't no red light come on.
Hey, Galen said it was a red light. He said anytime he double bump, he rolled out. It really called two bumps. He went tight.
But didn't no red light come on.
He said it's red light. It's red light no matter what the thing say. Because he red lighted. It's just like,
Guess what?
both up.
What if he didn't want to bag back out? He said the thing. We bag back through it. It's a red light. Come on, man. Be real. Well, he didn't do that. That's why when I bet people, I say I'm betting on that light down there. That's what I say that. I say I'm betting on that light down there. Hey,
Number D. Was that a race or what?
Yeah, Galen called it. Yeah, Galen called it. That's what they still.
Okay.
He lost.
Damn.
They better sit down. They got the 3,000.
Yeah.
They finna get their ass lynched, boy. They finna get fucked up.
Man, where you was betting at? Xfield?
Yeah, I was gonna bet with the sand car, but they boost wasn't acting right. So I jumped ship.
Damn, man.
I jumped ship.
I done came at the wrong damn time.
Damn it, let's get paid.
Oh, they got funky town. Funky town. Funky town. Funky town. Did you hit?
boom, goddamn, hit him in their motherfucking ass. Boom. In their motherfucking ass.
Yeah.
Boom, goddamn me. Time to eat me, bitch.
Man, why you ain't tell me where to bet, man?
You didn't come to me. Look out, come to me. I tell you.
I had, man, this other dude, he was like, man, I'm betting a whole 1,200 over here.
Shit, oh, well, over here?
On the other side.
Oh, he got popped in his ass. Boom, goddamn me. Boom.
Man, dang, man.
Hit him in their motherfucking ass.
Yeah.
Boom, goddamn me. See that?
Yeah. Damn.
Wait up. Popped in their motherfucking ass.
You need that booty.
Hold on, get this bet.
That's easy money, boy. Hey, them niggas so sweet. Hey, they was sweeting the motherfucking $2 bill. They don't call me jumping for no goddamn reason. Shit, get your goddamn ass on that bill. And I'll try your goddamn ass. I ain't stealing nobody.
Y'all see what it do? Hey, that's the first one. Hey, that's Bill, baby. I'm gonna leave you alone right there. That's Bill, baby.